Welcome back to Cabinetry. I'm pleased to report that we've reached another milestone. That is the fit out of the interior cabinetry. Now, before we take a look on board, we'll take you over to the Cabinetry Shop to see where it all begins. The guys behind me are just assembling the cabinetry, which will soon be taken over and installed inside the cabins. Some of the items can be pre-made as they are behind me. Other items actually have to be assembled within the cabin itself. Let's take a closer look. So the cabinets themselves start life in large flat foam panels. They're then cut to shape using the CNC router behind me. And after that they have to put the edge banding on. Once that happens, they can then start assembling the cabinets. Any loose parts that are trims and the like, they just get put onto that large rack behind me, and they're actually then going to be wheeled over to the boat. The majority of the work gets done here. As you can see, it's quite a painstaking task. It's got to be attention to detail, and you've really got to take your time to get it right. So let's go over to boat number one, and we can show you the fit out of the cabinetry in the forward starboard and the forward port side of the boat. As you'll see, a lot of work has happened since the last video. Let's go. So here we are on the starboard forward side of boat number one. We wanted to show you some of the developments that's happened with the cabinetry going in. It's a really significant milestone. Just want to talk you through some of the real features in order to keep the boat super light, as you've learned about what we're all about at Cure Marine. Some nice features in here are the lightweight carbon laminated bench tops, super light. We've got lots of 3D printed parts in the boat. So we've got the door frames, the window frames, and even these little bits of trim are all 3D printed. In fact, there's over 1,000 3D printed parts on this boat, so you can understand the huge amount of weight saving that allows. All this cabinetry has now gone in, and it'll have vertical sort of timber finish throughout, including these parts. There'll be a lavatory going in here, and up for it here is the shower well. That's been painted. There's no gel coat on the boat, so it's a 2-pack paint. So that's really taking shape. Just before we leave this side of the boat, I just wanted to point out the Safari instant hot water system. The decision's been made to now provide this as a standard item, and look how small it is. It's super small, majorly weight saving, and provides instant hot water to this side of the boat. Let's pop over to the forward port side now, and I can show you what's happening over there. So there's been a tremendous amount of activity over the last couple of days in the forward port cabin. All the cabinetry has gone in. This will be finished off with a vertical timber finish. The acoustic lining is in place. This will be wrapped in vinyl, so too the headliner, which will allow a space for wire runs and for the downlights. Looking into the berth area, you can also see that the cabinetry is now in. The acoustic soundboarding is in, which will have a vinyl wrap on it, and the ultra lightweight carbon bench top is in. So that's a little update for you on the cabinetry going in on hull number one. Stick around because there's lots more information coming your way very soon.